Chinsa and Ikomi Chiabono Maragova, Etarikea Momutinho, Cavero, Mwakabechir Vivere, Emeronge Vere Netano, Ekero Abalikiveto, Mangana Vekre Chikambi, Chinsemo Ejogotoletera, Amna Magana Vereka, Wataka, Imenesiko, Yorogongo, Ruagusi, American and Kerubo, Norio Kenekebunachi, Chanerio Gingo, Wikerachira Senchirayo, Wikeranu, Nigakroka, Omusbati, Abigail, Yanchama. Nigo umukonyi bumurai wense umuske Profesa Abraham Kidhure Kindiki akora etaro yae guchase skuru ya Jamhuri ekero yenge kusherekea emyaka 120 kurwa eskuru yu ya chagetwe aseboigate bebuna eserikali nero mustari umutwe gusira chisemi imeyense ya Kenya.
This government has built 15,000 classrooms across Kenya. We are in the process in the next 1 year to build an additional 7,000 classrooms to bring to a total of 23,000 classrooms, mainly for grade 9 and other grades to make sure that we take care of the physical facilities. We now have resources also to provide laboratories for 1,600 schools across Kenya where our children do not have laboratories. Because you cannot do CBC when you have schools without labs. And the first time they see a Bunsen burner or a microscope is the examination day. And you expect that child to do anything in science. So in the next 1 year, the government of Kenya will build 1,600 laboratories across Kenya to make sure every school has a laboratory, a science laboratory.
Waigo umurike botamba se wizara ya chisemi umuskebe yo kipsang waigo na onyere no ingase eskuru ya Jamhuri ese atebire mbagenda tegosira umurubiri yo CBC ase goikira bono bali kirabali mu chiribu 20 ase serikali waigo ebirasi goetani chiribu 15 byabere bikwagacho ase atebire buna serikali negendete kweneke buna ese mingwere emeri ase ense ya Kenya.
On issues education, we would want to assure you that as commitment of His Excellency the President to ensure that we transition smoothly in all that we are doing in competence-based education, together with our members of parliament, we've been able to now build 15,000 classrooms for our junior school grade 9. We have distributed 9.9 million textbooks. Through your efforts and His Excellency the President, you are aware that we have employed another 20,000 teachers. This is going towards ensuring that we anchor the future, because in investing in our children, we are investing in the future. So, sir, we would want to give you our commitment that this is the real defining year of competence-based curriculum. This is the year, as we shall say, sir, that we shall be transiting our children from junior school to senior school. This will be the first time that children will be moving from one environment to a new environment. All this time, PP1, PP2 sometimes are in the same environment in our primary school. Their first 6 years in primary school, they were in the same environment. 3 years in junior school, they were in the same environment. In the coming year, that's why I'm saying this is our defining year in CBC, is that they will be doing an assessment, a summative assessment in November, which will support us in aligning them to pathways and to schools. So, sir, we assure you that in the sector, as a ministry, we shall be able to work with all stakeholders to ensure that your vision to firm up the competence-based education through transitioning to senior school is realized.
Nekero ugochererwa kwa basae boigo ne chisegi chiegenka chigendete komentekana imeyense ya Kenya nigo bono mo Chief Justice Omoske Martha Koome agikeiria mang'anayo notebe buna nigo egetambukire getindi kerachiko imokerigwa irio korora buna chisegi chiegenka nugochererwa kwa basae kiabeire bigosira.
We have heard also the cry of our parents who are crying because of their children who have been abducted. The many women, girls who have lost their lives in circumstances that nobody can explain, what we are calling femicide. This is a societal problem, especially why would somebody decide to kill another one, cut them in pieces, put them in a gunny bag, and throw them in the dam? What is happening there? Nobody can explain what has happened to our society, but it is for us to condemn those acts in the strongest terms possible. I, as a mother, and now as a grandmother, I put myself in the shoes of that parent whose child was abducted, and for days on, months on, they do not know where their child is. What I have to say as the Chief Justice is that Kenya is a country of the rule of law. We have the Constitution, we have other statutes, the Penal Code, the Criminal Procedure Code, which define every crime. So these people being abducted, if they are suspected of even committing the worst crime, murder or terrorism, though they should be brought to court and charged. They should not be held incommunicado, because this brings anxiety to the family. It brings so much trauma, even to those who are abducted.
Wewe togotigara ase engane yogo cherero kwa basae ne chisegi chiegenka nigo Moske Moses Wetangura boigo agende tokogikeria engane yo asasa bire serikali n'abanyanyimbo kurigereria engane yo esauri oko engencho abasae bakarego itwa ere mamincha ye serikali.
DCI, the Office of DPP, and internal security organs to investigate thoroughly and come to the root cause of who is kidnapping people and later they are found dead.
Check, 1, 2,
check, 1, 2.
check.
They are not the ones doing it. We want them to investigate and tell Kenyans who are these criminal elements in our midst who are unlawfully arresting people, causing their disappearance, and eventually they are found dead. We shudder to get back to any situation yenye tulikuwa tunapata miili katika River Yala na kwingine. Serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iliahidi na inazingatia respect for human rights. So IG, DCI, DPP ambaye ni kijana yetu kutoka hapa Kakamega, for purposes of formality, uchunguzi wa kina na kwa haraka iwezekanavyo ili tukomeshe hii mambo ambayo inaleta jina mbaya
na kuwasha.
Jambo la pili, we've seen the nightmare going on. Wale ambao mmejiandikisha, tumekuwa na maneno makali jana katika Naivasha katika kongamano ya wabunge, na nimeamuru kamati ya afya ya bunge
sasa matundra sika nyuma ya kamera basi utuadjust
madogo na makubwa ambayo inasaidia kuleta maneno ambayo si mzuri katika utekelezaji wa SHA Taifa Care. Lazima tuyanyoroshe ili wananchi wapate manufaa kutoka ishi.
Ekero tochigokora Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi muna botambe ritukorera Jumamosi nigo tubate egepindi gya chigosori cheito ase abariki baito Maureen na Clinton timaite narari ari babere bagutwariganiria erinde torore ase egepindi kege chigosori cheito intimu kiri gochesa ritukorera rero boigo intimu kiri korari ritukorera rero erinde torore egekombe ku gosenke beke gotochera inka inchentali mchezaji y'umupira boigo tindi fani ndo Wednesday night Maureen munayo muno musubati ngakiyokora bono wasasa mangana yo mupira
aikangi raisi
kari raisi ngora dayo muske no arisko gali wanchite mupira sana lakini no ari naro tanchite mupira telefani muna inchego metindi fani mupira
kwanza mshabiki
Njengo ngase no nero Manchester nero lakini eliyo ko bwana rongo so
ama ita eno eliyo tawa tumecho akwera rasa na yabwire chero nationali
aya ko boy bese Clinton tima itinga kyora nyalo segeta abasaye bali siko gali abasubato mete mipira ne yaba bamura lakini kimete ne yaba mura timete nsema ya
na bego tebekana but it's not true asengenjo nsegete no nyana ino musaye you have to join sports you support your team by the way
Ndocha bwana mchake kongeli.
Okay, karibu sana ngoyo commission answer no. Karibu sana. Nometa makosari onde bwensi.
Torakera.
Onde bwensi, tali lazima abe timu ndio onde bwensi uri.
Kwando to como fosa amanya basa no rana bamani ama.
Aranyare na bamani maito. O maite. Tali lazima lakini karon kuligereria na ibu Manchester yengo chesa na timu yetu yabwa na ile timu yani.
Wale wanashinda wale wanatangulia na timu yao. Thank you so much ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi. Weekend ase njira iyo bwenge of course kidaika nkego chiribo siongo so atura ase omurubiro bw'ikigo sori cheito. It is a fresh month and netarikia yamo esho enyekegima toganda tegosanga omwanchu morigeria ntubate a very big show lined up you what I don't kigo sori but at least tutaanza kukufanya upenda sengencho we have a very strong lined up show iforia rero ntubata bakania ase studio togochigo sanga ase Chinsa moisato sementangani nsemo ya kavera nsemo ya gatatu kwa hapa leo hadi saa 1 tujara ko batoko manyomo anchu morigeri ari aneke wasa chigo sorry from the local tournaments local sports to national sports togende baka international ase kwa mention team ya Arsenal to manya what is happening yeah
esa uri chigo sorry ne chino ne nchira moyo kamo begete chianga ikoro kinu na bantu be chigo sorry ne nchirande ntigera mangana mayana yane kwenge ne nchumo anchu morigeri Juli Kerubo egetie keigabona ese toko getigera ase chigo sorry cheito Noriana kebuna chibicha neriogi ncha wekera senchira yo wekera nigenkoro kumusubati Abigail Nyanchama